I forgot it has this, and then I replayed it, and I was like, oh my god, that's adorable. So we are at Einstein Bros now, getting some breakfast and coffee, much needed. And this little pup is biting my hair and pulling everything he can. Coco, say hi. There's my baby girl. Look what I have! Yes, so excited. How amazing does that look? Oh yeah. Oh, it's cut in half and almost fell over. Joe, what did you get?
Supernova.
So good. Okay, so now I'm in the car with the dogs, and Joe went inside to Target because he was thinking we get a stand for my camera. I have a ring light right now, but it would be easier to have a stand so I can set it better when I'm doing things. So yay for that. Give it a thumbs up if you guys are excited for that. And then there is somebody currently looking into the car, and it's very awkward. Anyway, so the Starbucks was good, and I'm happy now. No more headaches. Yay. Okay, you know what the funny thing is? The person that was staring at me was going around. Oh, somebody's pulling up now. That's wonderful. Okay, whatever. So the person that was staring into the car, which, I don't know, you know, maybe she saw the dogs, that's fine, whatever. But I just felt awkward because I'm filming. So she was going around the parking lot, and she made the dog start barking. She made Coco start barking because she was beeping, trying to find her car. It's like, okay. And then she took like 10 hours just to put her stuff in the car. Like, that's fine, do what you're doing, but mind your own business. Okay, another story time because I love watching these. Don't mind the dog in the back. I was pointing that way. She just thinks she's a cat, you know? Like, YOLO, live your life, girl. You want to be a cat? You be a cat. You want to be that dog that just, you know, those like fake pet things? That's fine. Like, do you, Coco? Don't worry. Yeah. Okay, so there's like so many people at Target. It's a Sunday. Like, live your best life. Just take out the camera, record your shit. Okay, so, sorry for the swearing. So I was at Chipotle yesterday, and can I just say, like, there was steak, and I always get steak. Okay, like, obviously there was steak. But, like, the point of that story was, there was steak, and it was, like, 5 little pieces left, maybe, at the bottom. And I'm like, and Joe was in front of me, and he got chicken, and I was like, I knew why he got the chicken, because he's, like, thinking, like, they're going to give him that leftover shit. And I was like, so I just got cut off, because apparently Snapchat thinks I'm talking too much. But let's sip our tea, our coffee, and really speak tea right now. So I was like, I'm going to get the steak. Like, I know people are better than that. I know if I was working, you know, because I always think the best of people, okay? Wrong. I thought they're going to go in the back, they're going to get a fresh thing of steak, right? No. They straight up scoop those little pieces that had been sitting there for who knows how long and put that on my rice. Excuse me? Like, do you think that's why I'm a paying customer? I want to, ew. So, like, no, Chipotle. You did me wrong, Chipotle, and that's the tea. So, enjoy that. So, as you guys know, we got a puppy recently. And my 2-year-old Shih Tzu, Coco Rose, the little cat over there, see? Kitty cat. As I was saying, she straight up, like, takes his toys, like, it's like a bone that, like, she never had interest in, and then she's like, that's amazing, give me that, and she'll just straight up take it out of his mouth, and then she'll be like, you know, there's somebody walking by, I'm not used to this, but YOLO, so she, like, straight up takes it from him, she's like, this is amazing, like, why don't I have this in my life, and then, like, we'll give him a new one, and she's like, this is even more amazing, like, give me that, and then, like, today, she was eating his puppy food, like, Coco, come on, you eat human food, you eat, like, the best quality food, like, why do you want his puppy food, like, really, Coco? Really? Mm-hmm.
When I'm hurting, you always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me.
But let me show you what Joe got from Target. Okay, so he got this stand for now that I can use with the ring light or like attach it to places around the house because I like putting it on stuff like that. And it's pretty cool. Hopefully it works because I use my phone for like vlogging and stuff more. It's just a lot easier, but maybe I'll start using the camera later on. And then he got these two really cute bunnies because we recently got a house, so we don't really have Easter stuff. And he felt like we needed them. And he said that one's Coco, one's Sunny, so that's so cute. And then I took this out already, but this ultra moisturizing stuff for my lips because I've been having this like dryness on my lips. So yeah.